Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Okay, so messages and energy check-ins and predictions. Okay, so for all signs, yeah, by elements muna sa ngayon. Yes, dahil masyadong maraming ganap. Maraming ganap sa paligid-ligid dito sa aming baryo. Okay, so kailangan natin, yeah, short lang na video. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Yes. Yep. So, let's start. Anong message? For air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, messages, energy check-ins, okay, and predictions. Some of you may magandang balita na mangyayari. Okay? This is for tomorrow, October 4. Okay, may magandang balitang masasagap, makukuha, okay, maririnig. That's prediction, okay? Air signs. The King of Pentacles. Kaperahan. The King of Swords in reverse. Be careful pagdating sa kaperahan nyo. Yeah. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Narinig ko, kailangan nyong itago lahat ng nagawang payment. Parang ganyan. Or sabihin nating mga resibo. Yes. Some of you, check ninyo yung mga CCTV. I don't know why. Check ninyo. Okay? King of Pentacles, please. King of Pentacles. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Be careful pagdating sa kaperahan bukas. Baka may mawala. Sabihin natin, kung hindi man pera, pwedeng gamit. Okay? Some of you, there's a father figure na parang magiging upset tomorrow. Or maa-upset. I don't know why. Okay? What's with the King of Swords in reverse? The Seven of Wands in reverse. Some of you, Okay, so kung may mangyaring tension, maging grounded ka lang muna. Okay, like wag ka magaganon. If ever kaya, stay silent. Okay, stay silent muna. May mga magti-trigger sa'yo. Yes, I don't know kung ano. Okay, what's with the Seven of Swords in reverse? The Ten of Cups in reverse. Okay, air sign. Nakakita ko dito ng pwedeng may pagkakagastusan, pero nandyan yung may panghihinayang. I don't know why. Okay? Ang daming tao dito. Lahat ng king lumabas. Air sign. King of Pentacles, King of Swords, King of Wands, King of Cups. Hello? Anong meron dito, air signs? Hindi ko rin po alam. Oo, kung bakit marami ditong king. strength. I don't know, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na pwedeng may mangyaring something like, may ma-upset, may magseselos, may, ang tawag dyan, may magre-regret, okay? Kasi naging pabaya. Yes, naging pabaya. Okay, so, yeah, prediction yun ha. So, sa message, okay, may mga, may mga tao rito na pwedeng, dati na-avoid ka, pero nakakita ko na pwedeng may mga maglalapitan. Like, huy, air sign, kumusta? I don't know why. Kumusta ka na? Uy, bakit hindi ka napunta sa bahay? Ay, bakit ganto ganyan? Hello. Parang itong mga taong to iniwasan ka nito noon, inavoid ka, hindi kayo close, pero magkagaganan sa'yo. Cringe. Ha? Parang, ha? Oo, mapapaganon ka na lang. I don't know. Okay? I can't. Ano tong King of Swords universe? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Swords universe. Ay, mga stalker ka pa. Air signs. May mga stalker ka. Some of you, ang babata nitong stalker na to, ha? Air signs. Or sabihin nating immature lang. Like, takot na maging open or mag-open up. Okay? Meron ditong parang energy na every time na nabibigkas yung pangalan mo, parang nagkukunya-kunyari ang nabibingi. Kunyari, ayaw kasing pag-uusapan about every time na maririnig yung pangalan mo, ayaw niya na mapapag-usapan. Okay? So, you have a stalker. Ito ha, may mga nagtatanong, paano po ako may stalk kung black na ako? So, black ka na, di ba? Naka-black ka na. Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? You're watching tarot. Ano ba yung tarot? Energies. Anong pwedeng makita rito? Mga possibilities na kung anong mga nangyayari sa paligid-ligid, like sa ex mo. Okay? So, watching tarot is a form of stalking. Okay? Another way is pagtatanong sa mutual friends nyo. That's a way of stalking. Hindi lang yung porque black na po eh. I don't care kung black. Okay? Hindi yan kasama sa listahan ko para hindi ka ma-stalk. Okay? I don't care. Basta pag sinabi ko may nag-i-stalk, meron. Okay? Okay. So, yun ha. Okay. So, next is fire signs. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Anong meron? Anong meron for you? Messages, energy check-ins, and predictions. For fire signs, please. Oh, ano to? Oh, the Eight of Pentacles. This is work. Effort. Okay, fire signs. The Hermit. Virgo energy. Searching. Some of you may hahanapin tomorrow. Okay. Shopping online. Yes. Okay. Searching in general. The Moon. Okay. Searching for answers. Some of you energy to ng stalking. Okay. Parang. Yeah. Meron ditong Virgo na nalulungkot. Specific yun ha. A Virgo or a Pisces na nalulungkot dahil wala kayong connection. Or sabihin natin, hindi kayo magkausap. Okay? So, in general, meron ditong person na hindi mo nakakausap and they felt like sad. Okay? Yeah, they want to communicate. They want to communicate. The Eight of Wands. What's with the Hermit? What's with the Hermit? Ito fire signs. Be straightforward, no? Maging straightforward kayo sa pagsagot. Hindi yung parang sasagot ka, ang sagot mo naman ay question din. Yes. Ha? Okay? Be straight. Oo. Pagdating sa pagsagot. Hindi yung paligoy-ligoy, hindi yung pahanapin mo. Bakit kaya ganun yung sagot ni fire sign? Okay? Kung anong gusto mo, kung anong gusto mong mangyari, kung ano talaga yung nasa sa loob mo, yun ang sabihin mo. Yes. Okay? Wala, yun ang sinabi. Kailangan ko din sabihin. Oh. Ano tong the Hermit? What's with the Hermit? Some of you, BP, ang nakikita ko. May magpupunta ng doktor dahil hindi maganda ang pakiramdam. Okay, the Hermit. Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Okay. Scorpio energy. Meron ditong parang iniiwasan kaya hindi sinasabi. What's with the Moon? The Knight of Cups. So, someone is like confused, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin pagdating sa'yo. Like, meron silang kagustuhang magbigay ng offer, gumawa ng actions, pero parang confusion ang naibibigay. Okay? I think sabihin natin hindi kasi sila into words, parang ganyan. Okay, wag nyo hahanapin sa words, no? Tingnan nyo sa action. Okay? Kung kayo, parang naguguluhan kayo sa isang tao kung ano ba talaga yung gusto pagdating sa inyo, sa connection, wag nyo titingnan. Okay? Yung mga sinasabi. Tapos maguguluhan kayo kapag hindi pareho sa action nila. Doon kayo sa action. Okay? Madali lang kasing sabihin yung mga salita na pwedeng magre-resulta ng pagpalakpak ng tenga mo. Ha? Tingnan mo yung action. Yan ang mahirap. Okay? Kung talagang committed yan, kung talagang magpupursige yan para sa'yo, magpupursige yan. Hindi yung sabihin, oo, sige, oo, I love you. Oo, hello. Okay ka na ba sa ganun? Okay ka na ba sa ganun? Puro salita. Hindi naman siguro Oo. Okay? Yeah. Ano tong 8 of Wands? The 10 of Swords. There's a past person here wanting to talk to you. Sino ka? Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron ditong past person na gustong makipag-usap sa'yo dahil sobrang lungkot na. Hindi na nila maiwasan tong ganitong sitwasyon na parang ayaw na nila ng ganito. Okay? Ayaw na nila ng ganito. Lalo na nga kung hindi kayo nag-uusap. Ayaw nila ng ganito. Yeah. Kung ano-ano na ang iisip, mga ganyan. Totally ata nawala na sa akin si fire sign. Parang ganon. Okay? So, some of them, they're like confused na parang magre-reach out. Okay? So, bahala na si Batman. Parang ganun. Bahala na si Batman, mag-reach out ako kay fire sign. Tingnan ko kung anong mangyayari. So, taking a risk. The Fool. Kasi iniiwasan na nila. Ayaw nila ng no connection or no communication. Ayaw na nila. Gusto nila magkaroon ng communication with you. I don't know. Bakit communication lang? Okay? Yeah. Ayaw na lang nila na parang isip sila ng isip ko ano bang meron. Okay? The Eight of Swords Universe. That's why. Ayaw nila nung parang maggagawa sila ng fake scenarios. Mga ganyan. So, I think, babalik lang sila. Titingnan kung ano bang meron sa'yo. And then, again, mag-i-stop. Okay? So, there. Okay, next is water signs. Okay, nahilo ako bigla. Water sign. Sinong nahihilo dyan? Okay. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Vertigo. Naririnig ako vertigo. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins and predictions. Okay, water signs. So, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Responsibilities. Paying bills. Yes. Okay, may mga babayaran. The Magician. Okay. And Temperance in reverse. Someone is being impatient. Starting to be impatient. Wanting to reconnect. Or wanting to connect. I don't know if this is a past person or a new person. They want you. They love you. Oh, this is a past person. Yes. This is a past person, water sign. Okay. So, pwedeng Virgo, Earth sign, and Sagittarius. Wag nyo nang hintayin ang due date. Water signs. Wag na. May naririnig ako due date. Ay, wag na. Tsaka na. Okay? Ano tong Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah. Kaperahan. Iba rito talaga may bibilihin or may babayaran. Okay? Some of you, sabihin nating may perang darating. Okay? May perang darating. Pero sana, no, yun na nga lang, hindi yung magbabayad. Kung makikita nyo, hindi natin alam kung aalis ba yan or tatanggap. Okay? Ano tong The Magician? Some of you, meron talagang energy rito na gusto ng new beginning with you. Okay? The Devil. Capricorn energy. Or maybe ikaw ito. Okay? Nakakita ko dito na merong may bisyo. Tigilan nyo na. Ngayon maganda. Okay? Ngayon maganda. In the near future, tsaka yan kukuha ng kung ano mang kukunin sa inyo. Trust me. Okay? Ano tong Temperance in reverse? Yeah. Avoid nyo na. Ngayon pa lang. Hanggat kaya. Isipin nyo muna ha, sarili nyo. Okay? Hindi yung, kasi masaya ako ngayon eh. Gusto ko tong ginagawa ko. There go. Go! Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong ano eh, ay earth sign, an earth sign, a fire sign na ina-avoid ka. Yes, ina-avoid ka. I don't know why. Tingnan natin itong 7 of Wands. Why the 7 of Wands? Yung iba rito, talagang ano ha, may chance na bumabayad, no? Para magkaroon ng pakikipagbalikan. Meron. Huwag na tayong maglokohan dito, mga water signs, ha? Ano tong 7 of Wands? Yeah, the Tower. Okay, so maybe kaya kanila ina-avoid an earth sign o ay Capricorn, kaya kanya ina-avoid kasi alam naman niya na wala rin namang mangyayari. Separation pa rin ng parang outcome, if ever. Okay? So, yeah. Ayaw nila nung ano eh, like biglaan na mawawala. Parang, okay, may connection again, and then after ilang months, ilang weeks, parang babalik na naman. Ang tawag doon, nakakauta. Oo, nakakauta. Nakakasawa. No? Yeah. Some of you ha, iwasan ninyo if ever nga kung kayo yung nagawa ng spell, ritual, magbabayad ka pa, masasayangan ka lang kasi hindi nangyayari. Okay, wag nyo nang gawin yan. It will fuck you up. Yes, trust me. It will. In the near future, yes. Okay. Meron talaga ditong energy na parang gustong-gusto bumalik ka. Or vice versa. Okay? You're wanting to communicate. Okay? They still want you. Mga ganyan. Air sign, water sign. Okay, Scorpio is here. So, I guess this is your energy. This is water sign. Yeah. Earth. Sagittarius. Okay, so there. Next is Earth signs. Okay, so Earth signs. Okay, anong meron? Anong meron? Messages, energy check-ins, and ang tawag dyan? Predictions. Oh, the Ace of Wands. Okay. Anong meron para sa'yo? The Two of Swords. Avoiding. Okay. Stop procrastinating. Okay. Stop delaying things. Okay. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong parang i-avoid or merong i-reject na gustong makipag-ayos. Okay? Pwedeng meron kayong i-reject na someone na pwedeng gustong makipag-ayos. Yeah, the Queen of Wands universe. Yes. Ay, pasensya na po ha sa boses ng mga bata. Okay, Queen of Wands in reverse. Okay, so I think there's someone na pwedeng sabihin nating low self. Meron silang low self-esteem, mababa ang confidence sa sarili, and they're like, ayokong makipag-ayos kay earth sign dahil baka i-reject ako. A fire sign, an air sign, an earth sign. Okay? Yeah. See, this is forgiveness pero hindi siya naka-upright. Kung naka-upright yan, pwede. Pero ngayon, naka-reverse siya. So, pwedeng hindi nila gagawin yung paghingi ng sorry, paghingi ng forgiveness, paghingi ng another chance. Yes. Takot sila sa rejection. Okay? What's with the Two of Swords? Earth signs. What's with the Two of Swords? Yeah. Someone is like guarded. Super guarded. That is why. Okay? Super guarded. Ooh. This is you. This is your energy. Pwedeng ikaw to. Pinpoint. Tuturo ko si Capricorn dito. Pwedeng ikaw to, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah. The Emperor. See, you're guarded. What's with the Five of Pentacles? Someone is too scared. Afraid na makipag-ayos. What's with the Five of Pentacles? In reverse. Yeah, see? The Two of Cups in reverse. Hindi nila kaya na mag-connect or mag-reconnect sa'yo. Queen of Wands in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune. This is your past. This is your past. Wanting na magkaroon ulit ng new beginning. Pero hindi nila kayang gawin. Okay? Nakatatak ata sa utak ng mga ito na pwedeng hindi mo na sila kailangan. Like, hindi mo na sila pagbibigyan ulit, mga ganyan. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Some of you, this is, sabihin natin, if this is a relationship, this is like a karmic. Okay, some of you, karmic. Okay, hindi pa rin tapos. Pero yung isa gusto pa rin. This is a karmic. Some of you, earth signs, meron kayong kailangang itaboy talaga, i-avoid or iwasan ng mga partnership. I guess, mga plastic na tao, bukas, October 4. May mga plastic. Okay, mayroon ditong mga taong hindi nagiging totoo, so you need to avoid them. You need to avoid them. Okay? Tingnan natin itong Queen of Wands in reverse. What's with the Queen of Wands in reverse? Some of you, if ever dito na merong magbabalik at ilalagay ka sa third party, iwasan mo na. This is specific. Okay, that's specific. Queen of Wands in reverse, please. Yeah, the Nine of Wands at the Nine of Cups in reverse. Some of you, this is codependency. Avoid nyo na to. A situation where you'll see yourself na you're in a connection na parang walang fairness. Okay, iwasan nyo na to. Yes, magpapatuloy at magpapatuloy to. Hindi magle-level up to. No. Huwag nyo isiping magle-level up dahil hindi. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, okay, babalik ako sa'yo, pero wala akong ibibigay na commitments, wala akong ibibigay na security, mga ganyan. No. Okay? Guard yourself from those kind of kabulsitan. Okay? Yes. Huwag niyong gawing option yung sarili ninyo sa mga taong wala namang wenta. Ha? Okay? Hindi kailangan yon. Huwag niyo ibaba yung sarili niyo doon sa taong mababa na nga. Ha? Tandaan niyo yan. Don't you ever. Okay? So, yun ang ating, may mga gustong makipag-ayos. Well, bakit? Bakit? So, yun ang ating reading for all signs. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. So, thank you. Bye!